Welcome, here I've got INFINIX Hot 9 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on this button, the second from the left. Here we have the grid option, so by just one tap we can turn on the camera grid lines and another tap to turn them off. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see the grid lines. As you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to this button to the gallery, we can see them at the real photo. So these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings in the left corner and use this button to turn them off. So for now, as you can see in the camera preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.